doing?
Because I want to eat.
Cooking. What are you cooking? Adobo. Filipino style. First, we cut the onions. I'm Julia. Was she Julia? Julia or Julia? Julia. I'm Julia Childs. And then that I was fearless. Fearless. What do you need for chicken adobo? You need chicken. What kind of chicken is that? Boneless, tenderloins. What else do we need? Crap load of onions. Don't try this at home. What else do we need? A crap load of garlic. As much as you can get. Chef Venus's rule, you can never have too much garlic. Some EVOO, holla at your boy. Here's a tip. If you want anybody, if you have any guests, or if you want anybody to think that you know what you're doing while you're in the kitchen, fry some onions. It'll have the whole place smelling like you know what you're doing. It does smell pretty good in here. Thank you. Now these are Vidalia sweet onions. Now the reason why there's so much onions in here is A, because it was requested, and B, they will give this oil that I'm about to fry the chicken in a sweet kind of kick to it. And one of the most important factors to consider is, you saw that I'm first doing the onions and garlic, but the most important step, the secret step, is to remove the garlic and onions and then put in the chicken. Dump it all out in there. Get a good base going. That's a lot of chicken. So we'll see how this ends up. Make sure the chicken gets cooked all the way through. That's actually why I cut it, so that the smaller pieces of chicken will take even less time to cook. That's also why I boiled it first, to take even less time to cook in the frying stage, at this stage. Onions and garlic, back with the chicken. Let's get this flavor going. You want the chicken to grab that flavor, that sweet onion flavor, that garlicky taste. Because now all we've got to do, everything is cooked, we just got to get it seasoned right. Step 1, balsamic vinegar. I like Star Brand, it's good, it's light. You want to be pretty generous here. This is where you're going to get the soup. This is where you're going to get the flavor. Next up, kikkoman, less sodium soy sauce. This is going to give it that sour. This is going to give it the salty flavor. That's why we don't need to add salt. We're just going to add this to our liking. You want to make sure that every piece of chicken is going to suck up some of that sauce. Now this is the most important step, people. Your pepper. If you don't have enough pepper, you're not going to have enough flavor. Just cake it on there. Mix all that up. You got yourself a damn good dinner. Voila! You taste it. That's some damn good chicken adobo. Chef Venus style. Holla at your boy. Make sure all the chicken's cooked. Don't need anybody calling in sick tomorrow.
What does uncooked chicken have inside of it?
Salmonella?
I'm Ron Burgundy?
Nice guy.
Eat.
Suck it, onions. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. That's why I'm crying. Like a little girl. Like how I did when I watched my sister's keeper. Oh.
Oh no! You didn't do it long enough.
I think I need to change out to the new pair about that time. Wow. And I'm making a mess. 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 I'm sorry. I'm making a mess.